한 소녀가 산에 올라 약초를 채집하던 중 다친 흰 늑대를 우연히 발견했다. 그녀는 흰 늑대를 덧대서 구해주려고 했다. 그런데 흰 늑대가 갑자기 소녀의 팔을 물었다. 소녀는 늑대를 달래며 조심스럽게 덧대서 발을 빼내주었다. 자신의 목숨을 구해준 은혜에 보답하고자 흰 늑대는 자신의 늑대 영혼을 소녀에게 선물했다. 그런데 뜻밖에도 그것을 받자마자 소녀의 몸속에서 마력이 순식간에 솟구쳐 올랐고 눈 깜짝할 사이에 지고무상의 마력을 손에 넣게 되었다. 소녀가 이 좋은 소식을 가족과 함께 나누기 위해 집으로 돌아가려는 순간 아버지와 남동생이 함께 마력을 수련하는 모습을 보게 되었다. 남동생이 온 힘을 다해 수백 년 된 검은 철석을 내리치자 기청이 터질 듯한 갱음이 울려 퍼졌고 아버지는 곁에서 그를 마력 천재라며 감탄하고 있었다. 소녀도 참지 못하고 직접 한번 시험해보고 싶은 욕망에 휩싸였다. 모두가 떠난 후 그녀는 철석 앞으로 다가가 남동생의 동작을 하나하나 따라했다. 그녀는 용기를 내어 그 마법의 돌을 향해 주먹을 휘둘렀다.
Are you crazy? Women cannot practice magic. If your father finds out, he will cripple you. Come now.
I was only trying it just once. Where are we going, Mother?
Your sister has returned.
Isabel is back!
Truly remarkable. A mere girl melted the frost-bound meteor. Could she be the one I've been seeking?
Isabel!
How dare you run back here? You've brought disgrace upon House Ironwood!
Wasn't she coming home to visit us?
Isabel, what happened?
Lord Wintermore is a monster. He made me do all kinds of menial work and beats me every day. I can't endure it anymore. Father, Mother, I beg you, let me divorce him and come home.
Divorce? Lord Wintermore has just been appointed Warden of the North. We cannot afford to offend him. Only he can secure Edmund's future as head of House Ironwood.
But look what he's done to Isabel!
Oh, come on. She just got slapped a couple times. Men discipline their wives. It's nothing new. Don't let something this small mess up my inheritance.
That's right, my lord. House Stoneheart has long coveted our lands. Only an alliance with Lord Wintermore can secure Ironwood's place in the north. You must think of the greater good.
Guards, take her back to Lord Wintermore.
Father, Isabel is your own daughter! Everyone knows Lord Wintermore is cruel! How can you send her back?
She is my daughter, so she must protect the Ironwood bloodline at any cost. This is the only value a woman has. Now shut up!
But you never treated me like your daughter! Edmund is born of your mistress, yet because he is a boy, he is all you can see. You cherished him, you taught him magic, while Ellinoor and I were left to learn how to do house chores and how to serve.
Shut up! How dare you speak to your father like that?
Father? He shares my blood, but he's never treated me like a daughter. To him, I'm just a girl with no name. A pawn to be sold to a monster like Wintermore!
You ungrateful wretch!
Isabel, let's go! We're leaving this place!
You dare!
No matter where I flee, Lord Wintermore's men will find me. Eleanor, remember this. If a woman does not resist, she will end up just like me.
Women don't get to choose, not even in death. Send her body back to Lord Wintermore now!
But my lord, she died here. What if Lord Wintermore holds us accountable?
Then we send Ellinoor in her place. She will marry into House Wintermore.
I won't marry him. This isn't fair!
Fair? You think the world runs on fairness? In the north, the strong devour the weak. Your mother failed to bear me a son. Do you know how many covet our lands because of that? If not for Edmund carrying my blood, Housey Ironwood wouldn't even survive here.
I carry your blood too! I can study, learn magic! I can bring honor to the house!
Enough! Since ancient times, only men wield magic. Even if a woman shows talent, she'll never amount to anything. You were born a woman. Know your place.
I won't! That's not my fate!
My lord, you can't do that. She's still just a child.
Take her to her room, lock her in, and guard her well. At dawn, she goes to Lord Wintermore.
Let me out! I'm not marrying Lord Wintermore. Open the door!
Miss Eleanor, you should give up. No one disobeys your father's orders.
What the?
Eleanor, we have to go now!
Move! Don't let her get away!
Hurry! The carriage is just ahead. Go! Get in. Go now. I'll hold them off.
We go together! I'm not leaving you behind!
If you stay, you'll end up just like Isabel. Used, sacrificed, then thrown away. Is that what you want? Go! Take her somewhere safe. Remember, never come back!
Stop them! Agnes! Let go! Do you have any idea what you've done?
Run! Eleanor! Run as far as you can!
Where do you think you are going? It's your luck to be chosen by the Warden of the North, Lord Wintermore. Won't treat you badly. Come with us.
Wintermore? That bastard again? I won't let him get his way with her. Please, let me go!
Ungrateful wench. You asked for it.
Let her go!
The hell? Little fucker, I serve the Warden of the North. Beat her up now!
I'm actually this good?
A woman! Using magic?
Pathetic. If this is the kind of filth serving the Great Warden, then he's nothing but trash himself.
How dare you speak ill of Lord Wintermore! Bitch, I'll burn you to ashes! Can't you see I was napping? You just had to wake me up?
That was transmutation magic. Only high-level mages can pull that off.
What are you standing around for? Get lost! Move! Go! Go!
Kid, you didn't stand a chance back there. Why step in? Weren't you scared of getting hurt?
If everyone just walks away, then what justice is there? Even if I get hurt, I won't regret it.
Now that's a good kid. Tell you what, I'll take you in as my student. Want to learn magic?
No offense, but do you always just pick students off the street like this?
Godwin Knightford offering to take you as his student, and you are hesitating. Your father, Lord Ironwood, once begged me for this chance.
Wait, you're Archmace Godwith Nightfeld of Aldoria? Please, take me as your student!
Mother, wait for me. I'll get stronger, stronger than anyone. Then I'll go back and save you.
Speak! Where did you send that little bastard?
My daughter's free now. You'll never control her again.
If we can't hand her over, Lord Wintermore won't spare us! You wretched sinner! From today on, you'll be the lowest of servants. Sleep in the stables!
Eleanor, as long as you get out and live free, I'll take whatever comes.
That's the raw power of magic. Tame it! Keep your center steady. Your body is the vessel. Lock that power in! You have to be as solid as an anchor, or this force will tear you apart. Again! Channel that energy and roar! Well, well. Who would have thought the lady of House Ironwood would end up like this?
She let Eleanor run and pissed off Lord Wintermore. She's got a death wish.
Where's my stepping stone? Go get her! Now!
Welcome back, young master!
Damn, this stepping stone's perfect. I could step on it forever.
Mom, how are you? I found a master. I'll be a mage soon. Just wait for me. I'll be back at noon on the day of the tournament. I'll win, take over House Ironwood, and make everyone who hurt you pay. Eleanor, my dear daughter, as long as you're safe, I'm at peace. Don't rush your learning. Take it step by step, and you'll get there. I'm doing fine. I just want you to live without worry.
Mom, I'm not stupid. You helped me run away. There's no way Father would spare you.
Mom, wait for me. I'll come back to save you.
Not bad. 6 months in. And you're already using high-level magic. In all of Aldoria, few could match you. It's time I hand the Dragonheart Circle over to you.
Wait, you want me to lead the Dragonheart Order? That's the highest honor every battle mage in Aldaria dreams of.
For now, my disciple Hawkbridge is managing it. No matter where you are, fire this signal arrow, and he'll come. I've taught you all I can. Go on.
Master,
You trained this hard to save your mother and to prove yourself, didn't you? But remember, once you've settled your family's grudges, you must use your power to help the people of Aldaria.
Arthur Hockerman, at your service.
Lord Hawkridge, what do you need?
Grand Master, joining the Dragonheart Circle is the highest honor among the nobles of Aldoria. These are the new candidates. Please review and approve them.
Lord Wintermore? A monster who abuses his people and takes women by force. Someone like him has no place in the Dragonheart.
I'll remove his name at once.
I have important matters to attend to. If needed, come find me in Blackbark.
Yes, Grand Master. Young Master Edmund is the greatest mage Blackbark has ever seen. The lordship is practically yours. Allow me to be the first to congratulate you.
Defeating House Stoneheart is only a matter of time. At this rate, young Master Edmund could even become the next Warden of the North!
Of course! Who else but me could become head of the house?
And a high-level mage.
Such kind words. Please take your seats.
Lord Ironwood has arrived.
My lords and kin! Today, the young blood of our family will compete according to our ancient traditions. Let it be known, the strongest among you shall claim my seat and lead this house! Please be seated. Let the tournament begin. tournament begins! Who dares to fight me?
Mom, I'm back. Today's the day. I take the house
And make them pay for everything they did to you!
I'll fight you!
All four of you, come at once. Don't waste my time.
Anyone else? As expected of Lord Ironwood's blood, to master summoning at such a young age, his potential is staggering.
You're too kind. He still has much to learn.
I hereby declare the next head of House Ironwood, my son, Edmund!
And you think he's fit to lead Ironwood? No wonder your house has been rotting under our boots for years. Looks like House Ironwood of Blackbark is nothing but a bunch of noblies. Listen up! Today, I, Corvin Stoneheart, eldest son of House Stoneheart, will take over your house and end this feud once and for all.
You arrogant fool!
Father, since Stoneheart came here looking for death, I'll be the one to give it to.
Good!
Idiot. I'll show you what House Stoneheart is capable of.
My son!
Edmund! Are you alright?
Get lost, all of you! Get lost!
Just as I thought. You're nothing but trash!
Big words! Corvin Stoneheart! This is where you die!
Kill him, Lord Ironwood!
Father! Avenge me!
Who's next? You, or you? On second thought, come at me all at once.
What are you waiting for? Get in there! Whoever beats him becomes head of House Ironwood! Move! House Ironwood's honor is on the line. Are you really gonna let that Stoneheart walk all over us? Edmund, go! You're my son! You can't back down now!
But
An Ironwood would rather die than kneel!
My lord, he's already lost. Why send him to his death?
Pathetic curs. Kneel to House Stoneheart, or be put down.
Master Stoneheart, I yield. Please, spare me. I'll serve you. I'll do anything you ask.
Good. That's how a dog should sound.
How could you?
From this moment on, Ironwood belongs to Stoneheart. You, Jack Stoneheart. You, John Stoneheart. And you've got the instincts of a good little dog. Fine. I'll let you rule in my name.
Thank you. Thank you, Master Stoneheart. From now on, I'm Edmund Stoneheart.
What are you waiting for? Kneel! Kneel, Master Stoneheart! You cowards! Have you no pride left? Is this really how House Ironmerk ends?
I'll fight him!
My daughter, I know you'll return. Until that moment, I'll hold the line.
You stupid woman! Have you lost your mind? Are you trying to doom House Ironwood?
Well now, you think you can stand here with me? Tell me, can you even use magic?
No, but I dare to fight you.
Look at that! An old woman with more backbone than all the men of House Ironwood combined. Fine. I don't make a habit of slaughtering women.
If you can survive 3 hits from me, I'll call it your win.
Agnes, come back! You are a woman! You have no business on a battlefield!
And yet, I'm the one standing here. 3 strikes.
Go on!
Try not to die too quickly. You barely lasted a breath.
Why is she still getting up?
Agus, stop! You can't win against a man! Know your place!
Don't mistake me for them. They choose to kneel. I don't. Where's your second strike?
She's still asking for more?
Agnes, don't throw your life away!
She's lost her mind! Again!
If you insist!
Mother, wait for me.
All that talk, but you're still just a woman.
She got up again?
You're still standing?
Eleanor, Whether you make it back today or not, I want you to know your mother will always stand by your dream. Live for yourself and for every woman who's been told she can't.
Lady Ironwood, please don't push yourself anymore!
Now, the third strike. Come on.
I heard you fell this low for letting your daughter escape, crossed Lord Wintermere for it. What, you still think she's coming back to save you?
You're wrong. I don't need her to come back. Knowing she's safe, that's enough.
I wasn't even trying before. But if you're so eager to die, I'll grant your wish.
Then do it. I'm not afraid of you. Eleanor, remember this. Your life is yours to shape. They say women are less than men, but we are not. We stand on our own, and we stand strong.
Women, stand on our own. Women, we stand on our own.
Agnes! Why would you throw your life away like this?
Everyone dies. I've endured this house for over 20 years. Treated like nothing, looked down on, ordered around. And now look at you, all on your knees. But I won't kneel. Let everyone see this. A woman's knees are stronger than any man's. Come on!
My daughter, I love you more than anything.
Go now! I'll hold them off!
But the road ahead, you'll have to walk it on your own.
Dared lay a hand on my mother.